Today we are diving into the world of hair hacks. Whether you have long locks, short styles, or something in between, these tips will help you achieve gorgeous hair. We've all been there, those pesky flyaways ruining a perfectly good hairstyle. But worry no more. Grab a bobby pin and mist it with a little hairspray. Then, gently smooth down those flyaways for a polished look that lasts. Cotton pillowcases can be a nightmare for your hair, absorbing moisture and causing frizz. Upgrade to a silk or satin pillowcase. These allow your hair to glide smoothly, reducing frizz and boosting shine. Using hot tools like straighteners or curling irons is great for styling, but heat damage is a real threat. Here's your hero, heat protectant spray. Apply it before using any hot tools to create a shield for your hair, keeping it healthy and strong. Save your money and skip the expensive hair masks. You can create amazing masks right at home with ingredients from your kitchen. Before showering, use a wide tooth comb to detangle your dry hair. Then, after conditioning, use the comb again to distribute the product evenly. These are just a few hair hacks to get you started. With a little creativity, you can find endless ways to achieve gorgeous hair.